2, 1, go! All right, let's kick it off with 15 seconds of odd time. 118 Storm from their catapult long range. They made 1, they made 2, and they made 3. Oh no, it's a miss. 400X looks like they had a little bit of lineup problem. Drove all the way across the field just to miss a few shots. Odd time is over. We're giving it to the Blue Alliance. Let's kick it off with Inteliop in 3, 2, 1, go! 3 robots playing this field. 400X has an impressive intake. Already got 3 balls and 4 balls inside of them. Defense being played by 3118A. Forcing the miss on 400X. Looks like 118 on the Blue Alliance is going for the long range shot. They miss 1, they make 1. Here comes the orange ball. It's a 5X multiplier, and they make it. That's the first orange ball I've seen scored today. 400X looks like they're getting blocked out of their shot where they want to be. This is tough. They're playing 2-on-1. That intake is wide and impressive, and they're not getting slowed down by this defense on them. They can shoot from anywhere on the field. That's just impressive driving there. 118A shooting across the field. Looks like they're getting comfortable with their lineup. Just under a minute left to play. 400X doing some impressive scoring under defense. 118A now going for the heel player. Loading 1. Another. That's a hit. That's a hit. That's a hit. They've got it. That's going to be tough to beat today. Under 30 seconds left. 400X